Hello friends, welcome to VTish Academy, and today in this presentation we are going to solve an example on linear equations. So let us solve the linear equation 2x divided by 5 is equal to 10 divided by 3. So let us solve this equation just by cross multiplying. So by cross multiplying we get here 2x into 3 is equal to 5 into 10. That implies we get 2x into 3 as 6x is equal to, coming out to the right hand side, by multiplying 5 and 10 we get 50. So in the next step this would come as x is equal to, by transferring 6 to the other side, we get 50 divided by 6. And now by simplifying we get 2 3 times is 6 and 2 25 times is 50. That implies we get here 25 divided by 3. So therefore we get the x value as 25 divided by 3. So this is how we solve an equation in only one variable. Now let us solve an linear equation in two variables. So we have an example here. So given that the total cost of two books is ₹10, then we have to find the cost of each book. Now let us estimate the different values of the cost of first book and the second book. So if we assume the cost of the first book as 1, then the difference between 10 minus 1 would come as 9, and this would be the cost of second book. And now let us take the cost of first book as 2, then we get the cost of second book as 8, as the difference between the total cost and the cost of first book, which is nothing but 10 minus 2, would come as 8. And so on, we can estimate the different values for the cost of first book and the second book. So in order to find the cost of the first and second book, let us assume the cost of first book as x and the cost of second book as y. So by adding these two values, that is x plus y, we should get the total cost value, which is nothing but 10. And now let us substitute the different values for x and y, which satisfies this equation and becomes a true statement. So first let us assume the x value as 1 and y value as 9. Then by substituting in the equation we get 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. That implies we get 1 plus 9 as 10 is equal to 10. By this we can say that the x and y values satisfies the equation and it becomes a true statement. And now let us assume if x value is 2 and y value is 8, then we get the equation as 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. That implies we get 10 is equal to 10, and this also becomes a true statement. And if we consider the x value as 3 and y value as 7, then we get the equation as 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. That implies we get 10 is equal to 10. So by this we can say that it is a true statement. And now let us consider the x value as 4 and y value as 6. So by substituting the values in the equation we get 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. That implies we get 10 is equal to 10. So we can say that it is a true statement. And similarly we can substitute different values for x and y, which satisfies the equation and becomes a true statement. And now let us write the solution set for the linear equation x plus y is equal to 10. And now writing x as a first element and y as a second element and putting them in the small brackets, we get a ordered pair x comma y. So we get the solution set for the equation as 1, 9, 2, 8, 3, 7, 4, 6, and so on. So this was a basic introduction on how to solve an example on linear equations. Hope you understood the concept. Refer to more videos on linear equations on our website vtishacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.